Even me people. Me can't say pleasant good evening to you. You don't hear we are going down the yard. You don't hear. Enough people don't know pretty today, you know. Enough balling are going because you don't know why. Brazil lose. Some people in a convulsions. Some people them all a rush a hospital and you know say Jamaica don't have no hospital. But them broken. Them broken because Brazil gone home. So me kindly ask you know, please send up a word of prayer for all the people them in Jamaica that were cheering for Brazil. Lord, them a go through a dark patch because Brazil gone. Father Jesus, hear my prayer right now, Lord, and strengthen those people in Jamaica, Lord, who are going through a